Hello everyone, and welcome back to this fucking shithole of a fucking... Welcome back to Sons of the Forest. Welcome back to this absolute shithole of a forest. Really just this godforsaken hellscape. Fuck this place. No, but actually I love it here. It is really peaceful and nice. What will we do this episode? That's a really good question. Um... Hmm. Think. Perhaps we can explore a bit more. I cannot... yeah, nah. That fence, it can stay there for now. I was thinking of perhaps building a bit more on my house. Perhaps making like a little stone area. Maybe I'll make like this little room right here, like made purely out of stone, and I'll have like a cooking area, maybe like a fireplace or something. Um, Perhaps we'll also go exploring a bit. That's a good question. Let's look on the map. What do we have? We do have some caves. Yeah, you know what? Yeah, we have some caves. Why not go explore them? Do I have items readily available? Like, I only have one spear. I can make another. And knife. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, like that. What else could we make? Hide armor? Oh yeah, by killing deer. I forgot. I can do that. Do I have a deer skin by any chance? Oh, I do. And a cloth. There we go. Boom. Armor. Thank you. Shock stone arrows? I can make shock arrows. Okay, that's quite something. Firestone arrow, a Barney. Okay. A lot of interesting items on the agenda. Anyhow, let's get going. So how are you all doing, by the way? I really hope you're enjoying this series so far. I mean, I'm seriously enjoying recording it. I'm having great fun with this. And just experiencing all of this again. As I said, like I played Sons of the Forest in the past, just I can't even pick out the blueberries, god damn it. Not as extensively as I perhaps would have liked to, because I think when I was playing this originally, I was busy with other stuff, so I didn't get to record it much. Why is Calvin coming with me? I mean, sure, Calvin, come with me to the cave. You probably can't help me. But sure, go ahead. Let's just have a little break here real quick. Just eat a shit ton of blueberry. And gone. All my blueberries gone. And boom, 3 more. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. It's quite a long walk. Hello, turtle. What is the best way? Yeah, no, I guess we can follow this path. Well, it's not even a path, it's follow this side of this little lake. And this is a path, here we go. Yeah, it's really early in the morning for me. Oh, well, no, it's not early in the morning, it's just, I just woke up, so if I'm tired, well, if I sound tired or a bit out of it, you'll know why. Holy shit. Ah, do you too, motherfucker. Oh my god, the lag just then. Christ. Can I pick up your bone? No. Whoa. Oh. Ooh, wait, huh? Cheeky bugger. Oh, fuck. Yeah, that didn't go too well, did it now? Now, hello there, Mr. Fingers. Whoa, boy, is that... Oh yeah, there's more people. Aye. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, fuck you too. Fucking bitch. Oh yeah, what a... God. No, that's enough. No! Oh my fucking god. Don't eat the fucking thing. Shit. Well, sorry about that. I completely forgot about the fact that, I should burn bodies. Can I not make a, Yeah. Yeah, torch. There you go. And light the thing. Not light it. So we can burn the bodies to get, bones. That's it. Yeah, there you go. God, that vital sound of cooking. So... Okay, you don't do anything. Now, do I want to free you? That's a good question. Mr. Fingers. I think that's what your name is. What do I do with you, hmm? Do I shoot you in the face? Oh! Shit. I accidentally freed him. I didn't mean to. Whoa, 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 whoa. Shit. And there you go. Yeah, I killed him! I did not go nearly as well as I perhaps would have liked to. Mate, because, yeah, I accidentally freed him. I didn't mean to do that. Eat the meds, please. Good lord, is that just my PC not being, like, caught up with the game? Why is it stuttering so much? Well, it's not even stuttering, it's just taking a while for shit. Oh, there's the bones. The bones, rope. Rope? Really? Man, that sucks a bit. I don't want to use my ropes for this. And I got creepy armor from him. If that is what it's called. Same as the original game. The armor from the mutant. So what do you guys have? Cloth and coins. Christ, the lag. Booze! Can I not take the booze? A spear? Oh shit, okay. Whoa! Oh, fuck you. Why? Why did there have to be spiders under the fucking rock? Oh no, oh no, oh that's a giant, isn't it? Oh fuck, it is. Alright then, Mr. Brute. That's what I heard your name was. You. What did you do to yourself? What? Christ. No. Stop it. Yeah, fucker. Okay, a shot to the leg does not even work on him. Yeah, okay, yeah, headshots are the other thing for him. Fuck you, die. Come on, fucker. Fuck you. Jesus Christ. So big. But yeah, I figured out from my friends how to efficiently deal with them. As I said, their name is Brutes, apparently. That's what they're called in the files. Those guys are brutes. I mean, they're fucking brutal. I'll fucking tell you that. Fucking pieces of shit. I hate them. But I was also told that headshots are the way to go. But I know because when I first played the game, I didn't attack the cannibals much because in the original game it didn't pay off at all. They just got more angry at you. So I never did it. And so, like, last episode was the first time I ran into a brute. But I have been to caves before, and I've seen the fingers, that fucker that was tied up. And I know that you shoot them in the legs. Because, you know, they don't have any arms. So you shoot them in the legs, they fall over, you smack them in the face, and eventually they'll die. But apparently headshots are what works for the brutes, because for some reason his legs are made of fucking titanium, and shooting a spear through his legs doesn't do shit. He just shrubs it off like it's nothing. It's just fucking just insane. And stupid. I mean, I do understand it from a game perspective. You want your enemies to be diverse, and not just have the exact same weak point all the time. But, come on! It's a giant with quite big legs. I mean, his legs are quite big. And, you know, shooting him in the legs does nothing? There's apparently a cave right up here. What? What the fuck? Okay. Rabbit. Okay, yeah, rabbit can go underwater. Very good to know. I might even still go the right way. Yeah, it's just on the other side of this hill. Or on top of the hill. Come on. Yeah, there you go. Oh, wait. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this game so far. Just when it comes to recording like this, I sometimes struggle with what to do. Like, obviously, I could go explore. Whoa. Oh, shit, there's deer here. Aw, they ran away. Yeah. What do you have? A slingshot? What the hell is a slingshot gonna do for me? That's what I want to know. How the hell... Like, what am I supposed to do with a slingshot? Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ! Oh, go fuck yourself. What, that texture, my guy. Oh, God, where am I going? What is this place? Um, oh. Oh! Zip line. Is that, do I need to use a zipline rope for that? Like, hang on to it? Where is it? Hi, stupid. Game. Oh, here they are. I can't do anything with them. Okay. Okay, I guess I can't go explore this cave. God damn it. Oh, yeah, sorry for the bad lighting as well. I should have been using my, torch. I'm sorry. Apologies for that. Whoa. Oh, they're hunting? Oh, the little cannibals are hunting. Oh, that's so cool to see. They actually chase after the animals. What is that marker down there? Why is there like a yellow marker down here? Yeah, dude, I'm leaving. Oh. Again, voicing my concerns. Gordon, Puffton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors going missing, our workers turning up dead. Right. If you won't deal with the situation, I will. There's a cave here. GPS locator. Why is there a locator? Here. Why did I have to go super dark? Oh my god, stop that. No. I don't want my lighter. I want my torch. If the game can load it. I do... Oh, what is that sound? Oh my god, what is this place? Oh, I don't like this. What on God's green earth will I stumble upon down here? Oh my god. Oh, oh my, no. Oh my god, why the fuck does the path have to split? Oh. What? What is this? I don't even know what I'm looking at. A platform of some kind? Oh, Father in heaven, what is up here? Hello? See light. Oh! Oh! Oh, okay, I'm in here. Oh, Jesus Christ. This place is shit of nightmares. This is like, I don't know. This reminds me of like the Wampa Cave from fucking Star Wars. Like the big snow monster, episode 5. Luke gets attacked by... Reminds me of that. Oh, fuck me, dude. Why? Yeah, I have no clue what kind of blueprint I got. I should place a marker on my base, because I kind of lost. Let's see. No, I know where I am. What's this cave down here then? Oh, yeah, we're right by the cave. Oh. Christ. Fucking asshole, I hate you. Now, which fucking cave is this? Wait, which one is this? Do I want to know? People have died in the lag, and it's loading in all the resources. Hey, food. Probably human anyway. Which the fuck one is this? I do not remember. Hello? What the fuck? Why is... I don't want to say anything. But why is it empty? Hello, plant. Oh, I do not enjoy this. The fuck is this? Why does that wall look differently than everything else? His Holiness! Father! Oh god, is Father Martin gonna be here? From fucking Outlast? Is he gonna show up? Fuck me in the ass? Solidified photo reference. FYI, this is what we're looking for. Wait! Isn't that exactly... Wait, yeah, that's what this is, right? No, it is. Look, it's the exact same thing. Your Solafite? That's what these guys were digging after? That's what they explored the cave for? Oh yeah, this! More Solafite. Red lamp storage. Okay. Jesus! Fucking... Oh, I hate this game. Oh, hi, Sluggy. How are you today? Jesus Christ, you're one malformed, empathetic creature. Alright, pull out the bomb. Alright. Fire in the hole. There you go. Come on, move. That fuck. No. Well. Someone. Oh, shit. Worst throw ever. Well, to be fair, I did hit. Ow. Okay, she hurt. Ooh. Well, it seems that I heard more. Her head's fucking gone. Oh, fuck, okay. Okay. There's multiple of these fuckers. And That's not good. I missed. You're dead? Okay, he's dead. Oh, God, the thing. He's so... Oh, fuck me. Yes! Kill him! Kill him, fingers! Come on! Fuck your legs. Christ. Right, hi, fingers. I do not remember what I have behind me. Oh, God. What do I have? Alright, here. Here, you'll make your final stand. Yeah, fuck you. Yeah, does that feel good, motherfucker? Fuck you. Rob! Whoa. Ah! I killed him! Yay! I did it! I killed the guy. Now we have what? 2 creepy armor? That's really good. Please. Shut up. Shut your mouth. What do I have here? Gord, my workers are having a lot of trouble getting anywhere inside these caves in complete darkness. We need more lighting in here. It's a safety hazard. Light it up like a Christmas tree. Okay. Can do. If I have a lot of flares, I can use them. Look, here's more of this. Oh, fuck. Another fingers? Alright. Well. Fuck your leg. Boop. Boop. No. Game, can you hit rake my shit? Oh. I'm out of arrows? Oh, God. Stop it, you fucker. Ah, shit. Whoa. Ah. Damn it. Alright. Tricking him like that ain't gonna work. Like, doing it like that will. God damn it. Whoa, okay. It's our floppy guy. It's our flailing tube man. Let's see, where's my armor? Here. Alright, 3 creepy armor. I got this. Whatever may be in here. Because can't fucking remember. Oh, fuck, a twins. Okay. Hi. I miss. I fucking missed. At 1, 2. I think that's how your pattern works. I do not remember. Oh, fuck. Yeah, perfect opportunity. Fuck you. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay, okay. Let's not be too aggressive. Against this fucking demon. Ow. Fuck. Ah, come on. Really? You can hit me from back there? That's bullshit. I am stuck. Oh, I killed him? Jesus. Oh, fucking hell. As I said, you're gonna have to apologize for me not talking much, but you know, I'm concentrating on the fight. Alright, we got more creepy armor. Where does this lead? Hello? Oh, I heard that. Oh, I sure as hell heard that. Who's that stumbling around in the dark? State your business or prepare to get winged. If anyone gets that reference, you're a real one. I say head. Now, I'd rather have him charge me than anything else, because these fucking babies are going to be a pain in the ass. Or... I can win a fight again. Alright. Oh my fucking god, really? Seriously! Thank you. And... bam! Oof, shit. 2, 3. And... hit! Yeah! Oh, it is really nice to just be able to kill these fingers so quickly and just so easily. Because when I first started the game, I struggled so much. What? A rope gun! I got it! Shit, alright. Carbon fiber arrow, alright. What else is here? Turn on the light, by the way. Nothing. Oh, can I have that cloth? Thank you. I don't see anything of me. Alright, so what's my... fuck that! Fuck that! We are leaving! I am running away! After me. No, I don't think he ever got to see me. That was a twin that came out of the ground for some fucking reason. But I ran away quickly enough for him not to notice me. Oh my god, we made it! Yay! Oh dear Jesus Christ, it is fucking midnight out here. What time it is? Yeah, it's literally midnight. It's 1:30 in the morning here. What is that? Oh god. Calvin! Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Okay. I need to find somewhere to sleep, just like right now. Oh wait, no, no. I can make a tarp. I can make a tarp. Oh my god, I can make one of those. I see that motherfucker on the hill up there. Sorry if you can't see much. What is this? There's a tent up here. Oh, please let me sleep here. Yes, I can save here. Shut up. Oh my god. Alright, well. Anyhow, that does it for this episode of Sons of the Forest. If you enjoy the kind of content that I make, then do be sure to leave a like. If you want to go that extra mile, then do be sure to subscribe because it does help me out a lot. But until next time, I'll see you then. Bye-bye and take care.